If you're a teacher, a parent, or someone with extra time when summer hits, you're sitting on the easiest seasonal income window of the year because summer creates predictable demand. People want entertainment, activities, convenience, and they're willing to pay for it. So today I'm showing you summer side hustles that actually work. Some in person for quick cash and some online that can earn while you sleep. And one of these you can make some serious money in a single weekend. We'll do in-person quick cash first, then online summer products, and then I'll tell you which one is the fastest to start. So let's get into it. Side hustle number 1, movie screen blow-up rental. And this one is so underrated. You buy an inflatable outdoor movie screens, a projector, and some speakers, and you can find all of that in Wayfair. And no, this isn't an ad. Then you can rent it out for backyard movie nights, birthday parties, neighborhood events, family reunions, summer camps, movie on the beach. One rental can go from $1,000 to $2,000 for a night. The equipment only costs $300 to $500 to start. That's paid off in 1 to 2 rentals. Everything after that is profit. Summer weekends, you can book 2 to 3 rentals a week. That's $500 to $1,000 a week for dropping off equipment and picking it up the next day. And this is perfect for teachers who want income without a set schedule. Side hustle number 2, rent out summer gear. And you don't need a boat to do rentals. Think about what people need in summer, but only use a few times a year. Kayaks, paddleboards, tubes, floats, coolers, camping gear, tents, lawn games, grills, canopies, beach chairs, umbrellas. You can list them on Facebook Marketplace or local rental groups or some apps. You probably already own some of this stuff. It just sits in your garage 50 weeks of the year, so put it to work. And here's one most people don't know about. BabyQuip. It's a site where you rent out baby gear to vacationing families. Cribs, high chairs, strollers, car seats. Families traveling for the summer that don't want to lug all that stuff on a plane or in a car. They rent it from locals, just like you. And if you have kids, you probably already have the gear sitting around anyway. Summer is peak travel season. This is when families are booking. Side hustle number 3, water gear and boat rentals. If you live near water, this is a gold mine. Paddleboards, tubes, floats, even small boats if you have one. People want to be on the water in the summer. They don't want to buy or store equipment. You can rent through apps like Get My Boat or just post locally on Facebook Marketplace. One paddleboard can rent for $50 to $100 a day. A kayak, same range. If you have a boat, you're looking at some serious money, $200 to $500 per day or more. But rentals aren't the only way to make money with a boat. One idea is to use your boat as a floating convenience store on a lake. People are out in the water all day. They want drinks, snacks, ice, more sunscreen. You bring it to them and they pay a premium. I've researched this a bunch and there are so many boat opportunities. I'm going to break it all down and put it in a future video. I'll link it up here. So if you have a boat and you want to make money, stay tuned for that. Side hustle number 4, local tour guide. This one costs you nothing to start. You already know your city or town. What's the cool spot tourists don't know about? The best food tour, the historic area, the hidden gems, the best place to go swimming. You can list yourself on Airbnb experiences or other sites. You can charge $25 to $75 per person and take 5 to 10 people at a time. That's $250 to $500 for a 2-hour tour. Summer equals peak tourist season. This is when people are looking for experiences. And you don't need a license in most places, just knowledge and personality. So those are the in-person options. Quick cash, local, flexible schedule. But what if you want something that doesn't require you to show up? So let's talk about online summer side hustles. Online side hustle number 1, summer activity books. If you've been watching this channel, you know I love KDP. And summer is a huge season for activity books. Parents need to keep kids busy. They want value in education. Teachers want summer learning packets. Camps, they need activities. Summer coloring books, summer scavenger hunts, road trip activity books, summer journal prompts. These are easy to create in Canva, sell on Amazon KDP or Etsy. You create it once, it sells all summer, and then again next summer. That's passive income that compounds. Online side hustle number 2, affiliate marketing summer must-haves. Summer has its own set of must-have products. Sunscreen, coolers, pool floats, travel gear, beach accessories, portable fans, picnic supplies. You can create content around these and add affiliate links. A TikTok showing your favorite beach bag, link it. A YouTube short of your summer road trip essentials, link them all. A blog post, 10 summer must-haves under $30. Every item has an affiliate link. You don't need inventory. You don't need to ship anything. You recommend, people buy, and you get a commission. Amazon Associates, PartnerStack, Impact, ShareASale, they're all some of my favorites, and I'll link a full list in the description down below. All have summer products. Online side hustle number 3, digital summer planners. Summer planners are huge for moms and teachers. Summer bucket list printables, vacation planning templates, kids' summer schedule planners, road trip planners, sell on Etsy, KDP, or Gumroad. You can price them for $5 to $15. One viral pin on Pinterest can drive sales all season. And again, you make it once, it sells every summer after. Which one is the fastest? Okay, so which one should you start? If you need cash this weekend, movie screen rental or gear rental, list it today, book it this weekend. If you want passive income, summer activity books or digital planners. You create it once and you can sell it all summer. If you want both, do one in-person hustle for quick cash. Use that money to fund your online digital product creation. That's the play. So what do all of these have in common? 1, seasonal demand is predictable. You know summer is coming. You can prepare now. 2, low startup costs. Most of these need less than $500 to start. Some, 0. 3, flexible schedule. Perfect for teachers, parents, anyone with summer freedom. And 4, it's scalable. Rentals can turn into a fleet, and digital products can sell for years. And 5, you're solving summer problems, entertainment, activities, convenience, and that's what people pay for. Now let me break this down by who you are. If you're a parent home with your kids for the summer, here are some ideas for you. Pet content, digital products, stock photos, social media, faceless content, things you can do in 10-minute pockets while they're in the pool, in the backyard, or napping. If you're a teacher off for the summer, you can check out this video, Side Hustles for Teachers. Also, don't forget to check out teacherspayteachers.com. This is your window, KDP books, Etsy, digital downloads, batch filming content. You have 8 to 10 weeks of uninterrupted time. Use it to build something that pays you even in September. If you're working full-time but want extra income, affiliate links, faceless content, set it up once and earn while you're at your 9 to 5. Lunch breaks and evenings are enough. If you're a college student home for the summer, UGC, TikTok, print on demand, you already know the platforms. Turn that into a skill that pays. If you're retired or semi-retired, stock photos, KDP, low content books, digital planners, slower pace, passive income, real money. Take pictures when you're in the garden and turn that into a KDP coloring book, or turn it into a KDP poem book, storybook. Be creative. The side hustle isn't one size fits all. Pick the one that fits your summer. And if you need more ideas, check out my side hustle playlist. Here's the truth. Summer is the easiest time to make extra money if you know where the demand is. Pick one of these. Start this week. If you want quick cash, go with the rentals or the tours. If you want something passive, create a summer activity book or a planner. Either way, summer is coming. The question is whether you're going to profit from it. If you want to know AI side hustles for beginners, check out this video. And comment below which summer side hustle you're going to start. And if you want a shortcut, comment KDP and I'll send you my KDP starter kit. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.